Okay, today I thought we'd play with these larger M.A.R.S robots, or Super Fighter robot. And there's a couple of different dates. On the box there's a date of 2005, and on the crotch underneath the robot it says 2002. So who knows exactly? I don't recall exactly when I picked it up. To give you an idea of the size difference between the M.A.R.S robots that we've already looked at, here was that one and the smaller one. So you can see it's quite a bit bigger. And these particular ones I picked up at Walmart, they were like $15, which is a reasonable price. I've got both color combinations. They're not heel-toe walkers like the others M.A.R.S robots. They're your regular shuffle foot, but with ratchet wheels on the bottom. And we'll look at that in a minute. See if there's anything here on the box that you might want to look at before I get it out of the way. It's just your standard battery install info there. Where did I see a date? I think it might have been somewhere around here maybe. It comes with some accessories. I'm going to put this bottle down here. You've got a shield that you can put on there. You've got a battle axe you can put in his hands. But you also have these two missiles, which can get loaded into these spring-operated guns here. So you can poke somebody's eye out. Turns at the waist, walks, moving arms, moving pictures, lit, sounds, 4 AA batteries, has a on, middle off, and a down as a demo position for the button push in the store. Here's the bottom of the feet that we talked about. These are ratchet wheels. And I don't think we'll get the camera to focus up in the between the crotch because it'll focus on other things first. But it was up in here where I saw the 2002 date written. Got your regular Happy Toys, Happy Kids. I'm going to turn it on. Before we do, here's the blue version. Very colorful, the kneecaps and everything. I don't believe there'll be anything different written on this one. I'm looking. No, still this one says 2005 down there. So let's turn it on. It goes through a little spiel.
I am a super fighter. Now scanning.
You see it's got the moving pictures.
Scanning.
Let's take a look at the gun and see if it's supposed to be lighting or not. Check with contacts. It appears to have electrical contacts. Let's plug it back down in there and see if maybe it just wasn't installed all the way.
I am a super fighter. Now scanning.
It's got the walking stomp noise and the scanning sound. Doesn't really have a gun noise, so maybe the light isn't active on this one. Here's the try me position. So if you were in the store and pushed the button on it, this would be the routine it would have done then.
I am a super fighter. Now scanning.
Ah.
Enemy detected.
So in the box,
Fire.
it wouldn't be able to... Ah, see, the gun does light when it does enemy detected. So they disabled the body turning when it's in the box because it would be confined in the box and that would break everything. So basically they ran through the audio effects.
I am a super fighter. Now scanning. Enemy detected. Fire.
Right, so that's kind of cool. The demo mode is different in that the demo mode turns the motor off because it would bind up in the box if they didn't do that. Interesting. Very interesting. Yeah, it does say right on the back there, removable lighted gun and silver axe, spring-loaded missile launchers, digital electronic voice with sound effects. So yeah, there you have it. It's the larger M.A.R.S super fighter robot to go along with the other ones that we've already covered.